Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add calculator on your lock screen. So this one's both clever and convenient. So by using Lockstar module from your Good Lock app, along with a new app called One UI Widget, you can add a calculator right onto your lock screen. That means you can do quick calculation like splitting a bill or checking totals without even unlocking a phone. Let me show you how to do this. So for this, we need the Good Lock app. So go ahead and download this app called Good Lock. Now within the app, you need to go ahead and download the Lockstar module. So go ahead and install this. So the Lockstar module will let you customize your lock screen. Now once that's installed, you want to go ahead and open up the Play Store. You want to search for the following app called One UI Widget. So this is the app you need. Go ahead and download this. Just a note, this is not a free app. It is a paid app, so it costs roughly between £1 to £2. Now, once that's done, you want to go ahead and customize your lock screen. So go ahead and open up the wallpaper and style, tap on your lock screen. Now you want to go ahead and find Lockstar and then go ahead and tap on app widgets. Now you want to go ahead and find the One UI widget. So this is a third-party app. One UI widgets, tap on this. And here you need to find the calculator app. So this is the app you need, calculator widget. Tap on this, add widget. So now the widget has been added. Go ahead and enlarge this. Now press done. And then go ahead and tap on home. Now go ahead and lock your screen, unlock it, and you have your calculator widget. So now you can go ahead and use this calculator while on your lock screen. So this is done all on your lock screen. You can even add this on your always on display. So you can go ahead and repeat the same process and tap on app widgets, find One UI widget, and go ahead and add it to your always on display. So this saves time, looks sleek, and makes your lock screen functional instead of just a decorative one. So it's perfect for students, shoppers, or anyone who loves a smart shortcut on their lock screen. So there you go, guys. That is how to add a calculator on your lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy device.